Alright, so in this video I'm going to be going over how to complete drawing page 3, part number 17. Just like usual, I'm going to start by drawing what I think my object looks like. So it should come up to about here, back down, and to here. Alright, so there's my top view, front view, right side view. You'll notice again that the dimensions are all the same, 5 inches tall, or 5 inches wide, 2.5 tall, and 1.5 inches deep. So inside AutoCAD, I'm going to start by drawing my line from my left hand side and up. I'm going to use my offset tool and offset my width 5 inches. My height, the 2.5, 2.5. Use my offset tool again to provide space between my views, so 1 inch up, 1 inch to the right. And then offset tool one last time to give me my height here and my depth here of 1.5. Draw this line in, use my trim tool. Again, I'm just going to select everything, hit enter, and now I can come through here and trim out lines that I don't need. Alright, so there's my top view, front view, right side view. On my blueprint, you can see that I have two angles here. This one goes up at 30 degrees, this one goes to the left at 30 degrees. Alright, so I'm going to start with this line here. It goes 2.5 at 30 degrees. So again, I need to use that at command. So from here, I'm going to say shift 2 for the at symbol. Let's do 3 inches this time, less than the 30 degrees. Alright, so there's my first line. My next line goes this way at 30 degrees. So I'm going to take my 180, subtract my 30. Pull up my calculator. 180, subtract 30. So I should go at 150 degrees. So from this point, shift at 3 less than 150. And you can see that's where my lines cross then. I'm going to use my trim command and trim out that little remaining portion, and my delete and delete that. So there's my front view. Let's take a look at the rest of the views. On the right hand side, I simply have a line that goes from my lower left corner to my top right corner. Lower left corner, top right corner. And a line that comes across the top of my object. This line, I believe, is a hidden line. Yes. So I've clicked on it, and I'm going to switch it to hidden. I can delete these two, and my right side is done. Now, in order to get my depth, right, on my blueprint, there is no dimension here that shows me how deep this is. Here's where we're going to use that line in the corner. I'm going to take this point here, trace it up to my slanted line and across. Now I can use this line to help me create this distance here and this distance here. With that in place now, I can delete this line, this line, this line, and this line. And there is my top, front, and right side. Last step is to enter these dimensions. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dimensions. Again, I'm going to start out by dimensioning my overall dimensions. So my overall width should be 5. My overall height should be 2.5. Again, I am using the enter command. I'm going to do that one again. I am using my enter command so that I can repeat dimensioning. Angular dimension. I personally like the look of it in the middle, so I'm just going to drag this back over there. see one more dimension. That's my 2.5. So I have a dimension that goes from here to here. 2.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is part number 17 on drawing page 3. Thank you.